Home inspectors don't kill deals like some real estate agents say. So I tell stories. I tell a story of a house I'm inspecting with my clients. They want to know about the house. They want to know its story. So if there's a hole in the roof, I tell them about the hole, just as if they are already moved in because they found their dream home, right? And they will have to fix this hole in the roof anyways. There's hardly anything I can say to my client to change their minds. They've invested an enormous amount of time and money in finding their dream home. They've been online, they've been driving around, they've been to open houses, they've taken tours, they found the right agent, the right bank, the right school district, the right neighborhood, they got the deposit, pre-qualification, the loan approval, they did the right bid, they got the right inspector, etc. They've invested so much, there's hardly anything a home inspector can say or do that should kill the deal. It's impossible. So tell them, this is how your home works. Tell them the story. This is your home, this is your dream home. This is how your home works, how to maintain it, and how to save home energy.